What's up guys? In today's video, we'll be replacing all of our interior lights to LED. This is the product that we will be using. It is by Yorkim. I'll go ahead and leave the product description down below in case you're interested. All you need for this install is your pry tool. This is the actual product. Like one LED on each side and then one on top. Bulb size is a T10. Alright, it's very simple to install. You have your original bulb here. You're going to go ahead and take your pry tool and just pop that out and go behind and go ahead and pop that out. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab the bulb and just wiggle it, and there you see it. Go ahead and grab your LED bulb. I try not to touch the LED itself, and you're just going to go ahead and push it right in. Alright, now you're going to get your cover and go ahead and put it back on. It just pops right in. And there it is. Now you're going to want to repeat those steps here. Alright, and you have two. One right here and there for the mid row. And then your last third row. Another one there, another one there. You have one for your cargo. Alright, everything's complete. Took me a little bit more than 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes. Let's go ahead and switch them on. There they look, nice and bright. There's your mid row. Here's the third row. And the trunk is not on. Let's open it up. There we go. And there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nighttime shot for you. See how bright they are. These do come in a pack of 10. However, I only use 7. I use different lighting for the door panels. Let me go ahead and show you. These are the ones that I installed on the doors. They're the same color as those. These are different because the LEDs are already in there and they project an image. I'll leave a description below on my previous video of this install. It's about to get dark in a couple hours, so I'll see you in a little bit and I'll give you a night shot. Alright guys, the sun has gone down. Let's go ahead and turn them on. That's how it looks, nice and bright. These are the front row. Here's the mid row. The third row lighting. I did put the chairs back. There's the cargo. As you can see, they are nice and bright. Alright, that's it for this quick video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.